JB Morrow, go and get your bag.
Hey y'all, it's currently New Year's Day, guys. It's January 1st. I actually can't believe I'm saying this. Like yesterday, I was like, wow, because it was like, I actually can't believe it's January 21st and we're starting the year over. Like, that's so unbelievable. But yeah, it's like so hard for me to believe, guys. But yeah, we're back again on the beach. As you can see, it's right now is 10:04. It's so early, and we're waiting for the food place to open and everything, because not a lot of people is here yet because the place is still early. And the man said the place is not packed because people went partying last night, so they might be tired and gonna come late or so. So yeah, so I'm gonna keep you updated with me today. So I actually can't believe, guys, I'm in January 1st again. But yeah, I'm so excited for this year 2026. But yeah, guys, we got a coconut and I got a tacos. I had two tacos. First of all, 3 tacos for me and my sister, and now I got one more because I just got done swimming and I'm so tired, guys. So yeah, my sister got a coconut, and after we're gonna go jet skiing. White top on and these cute shorts, and right now we're almost there, so I'm gonna see y'all when I'm there. Okay y'all, just order a popcorn and the chicken combo, and now I'm about to add sauce and we're gonna go in the movie.
Once upon a time, long, long gone.
I don't hold.
Hey guys.
later, Gab.
Give me a big! Give me a guy! What does it spell?
36 clouds high!
You again. Congratulations.
Patrick.
It's official.
Don't make me call security.
That sounds like, oh no! SpongeBob! Get out of there!
Jessica Raji.
Really necessary.
You're right, Gary. It does feel like something's missing.
It's attack me! Mousy stinging!
Okay, y'all, we just got done with the movie. We went to the bathroom and everything. And now we're here. I think we're planning to walk around or so. But yeah. Everyone is just here standing up, thinking what to do next. Hey guys, today is January 10th. And me and my sister are going out today. We're not really sure where we're going, but I think we're gonna go get some boda noodles, 2 egg spicy ramens, and then we're gonna go to somewhere and get sushi and hang out. I think that's the plan for today. And I'm gonna do some short dance videos and things. But right now my sister is driving. We're in our mom car because the hire car has gone. So right now we're heading to the mall. We're going to get our mom some pasta. The people usually make the pasta, so that's what we're heading to right now. And as you can see, I got my hair done. My mom did it yesterday, guys. Like, look, it's so tiny, and I love it, guys. But yeah, I got my edges done and everything. Just wearing this one piece. That's the fit for today. So I'm gonna see y'all at the mall. Okay, y'all, now we just got sushi, Mardo. Yeah, we got our sushi and we got this, and we're gonna go play with it. But right now we got Coke too. Right now we're gonna go because the food place is packed, so we don't have nowhere to sit really. So we're gonna go sit where at the field, and we're gonna eat there. Then we're gonna walk around and we're gonna play some basketball and do some short dance videos. And I think I'm gonna catch y'all later when I'm eating, because we're gonna do some dance videos and everything, guys. So see y'all there. I look so cute. But yeah, guys, the sun is out today, really. I'm obsessed with my hair, guys. I'm obsessed. It just looks so cute. So right now we're walking, going there, because the food place, it was packed. So guys, I got school on Monday, so this might be the last vlog of me going over and over. Keep posting video back to back. I think I will still post, but it's not gonna be that often, if you get what I mean. But yeah, so now we're gonna eat, and I'm gonna see you when we're eating, or when what I'm shooting the video, but I think definitely when I'm eating. So see you guys. Guys, here's the sushi right here. Time to try it. Okay, y'all. This is good. I would give it a 9 out of 10. Yeah, it tastes good. The weather feels so good. Now I'm about to chill and eat. Okay, guys, now we're about to play some basketball, and I'm about to place the foam down so you can see. Let's watch this, guys. Ooh. You got it, girl. Yeah, guys, you saw that. Now it's time for my turn. Okay, yeah, this is the new game. Okay, y'all, we're heading home now, and I got my ice cream. And right now we're gonna go to the mall and pick up some fish for my mom, because tomorrow we're gonna cook. So right now that's where we're heading. Guys, today was a chill and fun day. So much people was out, and right now we're just here chilling and everything. This ice cream tastes so good. I got a birthday cake and everything. But yeah, we're heading out now. So I'm gonna see y'all there. Y'all, today is currently January 18th. It is Sunday, and me and my family just sitting home, chilling. I just keep on cooking, and right now my sister is cooking. So, Happy New Year to all my friends, to all my supporters, to all my associates, to all my family out there. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year to whoever that is watching me right now. I know I said that before, but yeah, we're still in the new year, guys. Happy New Year. Okay, so the motivational speech for today is to always put God first in everything you do, guys. In everything, always make sure you pray. Always make sure you put God first before you do everything, even when you're trying to achieve your goal. And this year, guys, make sure you achieve only good goals. And everything you try to achieve, put God in it, guys, because nothing will work out without God in it. Before you're doing this, pray. Before you do this, pray. Before you sleep, if you have a job, interview next day, pray. Everything you want to do, guys, make sure you involve God into it, and it's going to work out good for you, guys. And me personally, this year, for me, I'm gonna stick to. I'm gonna wish wherever you wish me, that's how I'm gonna wish you guys. For me, this year, that's my goal for this year. If you wish me good, I wish you good. You wish me bad, I wish you bad. Wherever you wish me, I'm gonna wish that back, cause like. But yeah, guys, guess who's gonna be a graduate this year? Gonna be a graduate. Gonna be a graduate. Guys, this July I'm gonna be graduating, and I'm gonna have a big party, and of course I'm gonna vlog there. It's gonna be like a long vlog, but I think I'm gonna cut it half. And you're invited. Y'all are invited, guys, to the party. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And this will be the end of this vlog.